Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn how to make a data analysis report with Python. So let's get started. So I will do all the coding in in Google Colab, but you can use any other platform like Jupyter, VS Code, or so this is the library that we will use, Pandas-Profiling, and let's see the dataset. So this is the dataset. This is the dataset of house price prediction, where we predict the price of houses with these values like bedrooms, square feet area, bathrooms, floors. So this is the columns in this dataset, and this is a very common dataset in machine learning field. We make linear regression. We used to do linear regression problems with this dataset. We predict the price of the houses. So this is the dataset and this is the library. So let's upload the dataset in Google Colab. So you need to click on it and that's it. Data is available on CSV format, so we have to use pandas to show this CSV dataset. So let's and make sure you must open the documentation while doing coding. This is the official documentation because the name of the library has been changed, like Pandas-Profiling has been changed to Y data profiling. So you need to you need to make sure that you have opened the documentation. So let's write the code. Y data profiling, import profile report. Okay, so we will also install, we don't need to install pandas here because Google Colab already provide pandas, but if you are working in a local machine, then you need to install pandas also. So let's import the CSV file, pd.read CSV, and just copy the path of this CSV file and just paste here. So we have imported the dataset and let's see the dataset now. This is the dataset. So let's make the report of this dataset. Let's write pd.shape. Okay, pd.shape of this dataset. So this dataset consists 4600 rows and 18 columns. Let's make the report. Profile report. Add the df. Df is the dataset, and let's add the title. Title of our report. Title is equal to, okay, title is equal to pandas profile report. Okay, let's run this. Okay, now let's write report.to file. Let's convert this report into HTML format because we will show this in HTML format. So output file is equal to output.html. Let's run this code. So it will convert into HTML. It is converting, it is making the report. It will take some time. It's depend on the our dataset. If our dataset is huge, then it will take more time, but our dataset is not very large, so it will not take much time. Okay, so our report is generated and it will take some more time. Okay, our report is generated, so let's refresh this. And yeah, so this is the report. Let's download this report. Our report is downloading, and yeah, so this is the report, guys. It's a 6.6 MB report. So this is the report looks like, and this is the title of the report, and this is overview, variables, interaction, correlation, missing values, and sample. So this is showing overview of the dataset, like number of variables in dataset, number of observation, missing cells. As we see, that we have 4600 observation and no missing values and duplicate values in the dataset. So this is the basic data analysis of the dataset. And let's see the columns like price. So this is the graph of price. Like this is also showing that maximum and minimum value present in the dataset. The maximum price is and minimum value is 0. So yeah, so it's showing all the details of the dataset. And if you want to see more details, then we can click on more details. And this is showing also median and maximum and range of the values in present in this column. Yeah, so it's showing good bathrooms. So how many bathrooms present, maximum bathrooms values range lies between 2 to 4. This is the histogram of our column. So as you can see now, it's showing that maximum values of bathroom frequency lies between 2 to 4. And this is showing the frequency of the dataset values. And this is the correlation, this is the interaction graph. We can see the dependencies of one column to other column. Yeah, so yes, it's well and good. And we can also see the dependencies of any columns on others. So this is the correlation graph, this is the heat map of correlation, and this is the table of correlation, how values depending on others. Like we need to check the price column, how price column depending on other columns. So yeah, if the color is more blue, then it's like depending more on other values. Yeah, so this is the correlation heat map graph. We can find all the details here. And this is the missing value graph. Like the dataset doesn't have missing values, so there is no missing value in dataset. And this is the sample of the graph consisting all the values samples. And this is how dataset looks like. So this is the overview of this is the data analysis report. And we can analysis the dataset within few seconds by doing few lines of code. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.